Welcome back to Home Radar. Please subscribe in order to support the channel and be the first one to receive the latest listings from overseas. I've been hunting for that sweet spot in Italy where price, charm, and lifestyle meet. Today we're in Tuscany. Yes, the land of hill towns, cypress-lined roads, and great food, but we're keeping it affordable. I'll start with why Tuscany works for a vacation place or a full-time home. Then I'll show you 5 real listings from 50,000 euros to 80,000 euros. For each one, I'll walk through layout, condition, pros and cons, and the kind of life you can have there. Why Tuscany? First, location and infrastructure. 2 main airports, Florence and Pisa. Fast trains, good roads, and year-round services. Second, variety. Coast, mountains, and classic countryside, all in one region. Third, everyday quality. Weekly markets, friendly villages, solid health care, and food that makes home dinners feel like a treat. Tuscany goes way back to the Etruscans, and later the Renaissance shaped cities like Florence and Siena. That heritage gives you stone architecture, little lanes and town squares that feel alive all year, not just in summer. A few quick notes if you're interested in purchasing a house in Tuscany. First, climate shifts a lot. Cooler in the Apennines, mild on the coast, warm in the valleys. Then, many old homes run on natural gas or GPL, propane. Some need updates for efficiency. Last but not least, always check the APA energy certificate, roof age, and moisture in ground floors. All right, let's tour the 5 homes. The first house is located in Altagnana, Massa, and is listed for 50,000 euros. This is a 64 square meters terraced home on 2 floors, free on 2 sides, with independent natural gas heating, rare at this price point. You're less than 10 minutes by car to the center of Massa and about 18 minutes to the sea, so weekend swims and aperitivo by the beach are easy. Layout is simple and social. Ground floor, a large living area with open kitchen and dining, enough space for friends. First floor, a big double bedroom and a windowed bathroom. There's an attic with exposed chestnut beams for storage or a cozy reading nook. With a retractable stair, you can access a roof terrace. Morning coffee with a peek toward the valley and, on clear days, out to the sea. The double exposure keeps the house bright and airy. It dates to around 1900, so expect thick walls and character. If you want a small bit of land, there's an optional 2,500 square meters plot about 300 meters away. Overall, this house offers a strong combination of beach, mountains, and gas heat for 50,000 euros. Not too bad. Listing number 2 is located in Via di Praccia in the Montagna district of Pistoia and is listed for 55,000 euros. This is a portion of a farmhouse and former ironworks dating from the late 1700s called Il Distendino. At 210 square meters built, it offers serious space for the price. The double living room centers around a fireplace that anchors the social areas. The spacious kitchen gives you proper room for cooking and gathering with friends. 3 bedrooms provide flexibility for family or guests. The bathroom has a window, which matters more than you might think for moisture control. There's a large storage room that could serve multiple purposes. The attic and cellar add valuable storage space and potential for creative use. The ancient room still preserves the old water wheels from the ironworks days, adding genuine historical character. Located near Pistoia village, famous for Silva water production, you're close to the Reno River for summer cooling and within reach of Abetoni Ski Resort and Porretta Thermal Resort. The Pistoia railway station connects you to broader destinations, making this potentially suitable for bed and breakfast operations. Built in 1950 with natural gas heating, this property needs renovation but offers all-direction orientation for natural light throughout the day. Listing number 3 is located in Via Maggio Montecastelli and is listed for €60,000. This ground floor apartment sits in the heart of a medieval village that's easily accessible by car, despite its historic center location. The kitchen and living room create the main social spaces on the ground floor. Two double bedrooms provide comfortable sleeping arrangements. The bathroom includes a shower. There's also a comfortable attic for additional space or storage. Montecastelli Pisano is a small medieval village set among the Colline Metallifer, with 360-degree views of woods, valleys, and Tuscan hills. The village regularly hosts classical music concerts that attract artists and enthusiasts from around the world. You're close to natural sites like the Masso delle Fanciulle and Roccasellana, plus the renowned village of Casole d'Elsa. Built in 1900 with central heating, this 75-square-meter property comes in good condition and offers authentic village living immersed in nature and culture. Listing number 4 is located in Via Antonio Gramsci, San Giovanni delle Contee in Sorano, and is listed for €70,000. This 124-square-meter townhouse spreads over multiple levels in good condition and ready to move into. The large living area flows into the kitchen, creating an open social space. 3 bedrooms give you flexibility for family or rental potential. Two bathrooms add convenience, especially important in a larger property. The second-floor terrace lets you relax while enjoying village views. A warehouse and cellar serve the home for storage and utility needs. Located in the charming village of San Giovanni delle Contee, you get quiet surroundings while staying close to main area towns. Built in 1930 with individual heating, this property includes a single garage and storage room. The all-direction orientation ensures good natural light, and it represents an excellent investment opportunity as either primary residence or holiday home. Listing number 5 is located in Via della Rupi in the Legrassi area of Pistoia and is listed for €80,000. This 100 square meter terraced house sits about 15 minutes from Viale Adua in a characteristic village on the Pistoia Hills. The entrance leads into the living room on the ground floor. The kitchen completes the ground floor social areas. Moving to the first floor, you'll find 2 double bedrooms providing comfortable sleeping space. A study or small bedroom adds flexibility for work or guests. The bathroom serves the upper floor. The property includes a cellar of about 4 square meters for storage, a small technical room, and a courtyard of about 15 square meters, all located near the house. Built in 1940 with GPL heating, this property is in habitable condition but needs some modernization. It's free on 3 sides and offers an opportunity for those wanting tranquil residence, a second home escape, or an investment property. Looking at all 5 options, you've got a clear range of choices. Which of these properties speaks to your vision of Tuscan living, and what draws you to that particular option? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this tour helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more affordable property discoveries across Italy.